What is up everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to talk about bold colors and how to incorporate those colors into your wardrobe. From statement pieces to subtle accents, we will explore the best ways to add colors to your style. Before we start, kindly press that thumbs up if you are learning from this video and subscribe to my channel if you like my channel. Now that's out of the way, let's start by asking, why bold colors? So, why bold colors? Well, they can instantly elevate your style and confidence and make you stand out in a crowd. Yes, it is a great way to show off confidence and make your outfits pop without trying too hard. Bold colors are a great way to express your personality through fashion. They can add a pop of fun and whimsy to any outfit. Let's talk about choosing the right bold colors for your skin tone and personal style. For cool skin tones, try bold blues and purples. For warm skin tones, go for vibrant orange and yellows. Obviously, this is just a guide, but feel free to try any bold colors that you like and will help boost your confidence. Test different shades to find what makes your complexion pop. Now, let's explore some ways to incorporate bold colors into your wardrobe. First, use bold colors as your statement piece. Try bold color jackets, sweaters, or pairs of shoes. Pretty much any large item of your outfit that will instantly grab attention by the first look. For example, this mustard flannel that I have, I'm going to use this as my statement piece while keeping the rest of my outfit muted. This way, I'm showcasing that this flannel is the star of my fit. Here are the other two examples. You can see how effective bold color with your outfit and how it stands out so well. Now, if you're not that confident yet on incorporating those big bold colors into your outfit, then make it subtle. Yes, use subtle accents such as bold colored socks or accessories. I'm gonna use this all black outfit as an example. You notice that everything in black except that my socks are in red. This is another way to effectively inject bold color into your style if you are too shy. It's subtle but still an attention grabber. Here are the other examples of these folks using bold colors as a subtle accent into their style. See, such a small thing yet effective. And for those folks who want to have that loud bold colors overall, then try a monochromatic look. This applies for those individuals that want to get noticed right on. I would say pulling off a monochromatic look is pretty hard because you pretty much have to play around with different hues and possibly texture of the same color. If you add bold colors into a play, then it's much harder in my opinion. Just look at this example. It's sleek, daring, yet its cohesive monochromatic styling gives you an intentional, put together look that's both daring and refined. So, if you want to step up your bold color game, then definitely try monochromatic look. Now you learn to choose the right bold colors and how to incorporate bold colors. Let me share with you some tips and tricks to keep in mind when working with bold colors. First, balance bold colors with neutrals. Once again, you want your bold color to be a star, so in order to effectively use it, then have the rest of your outfit neutral friendly. Next, experiment with different textures and patterns. Picking a right bold color doesn't end there. You may want to play with textures and patterns to make your overall outfit pop more while keeping it together. For example, try mixing a bright plaid jacket with a textured knit in similar color family. The contrast between a bold pattern and a solid texture can create a balanced yet attention-grabbing ensemble. By mixing a bold color with different texture, you avoid being too loud while still making a striking statement. And last, don't be afraid to mix and match bold colors. Yes, don't be afraid to push your boundaries. Mix that mustard flannel with a cobalt blue sweater, or do this. It may look too loud for some folks or too playful, but that's the whole point of mixing bold color. The idea is to experiment while maintaining a polished, cohesive feel. When done right, bold and bold styling projects confidence and creativity. Well folks, that's my guide on how to incorporate bold colors to your style. How about you? Do you experiment with bold colors? If so, how do you incorporate it in your style? Comment below and let me know. And as always, you stay safe, stay stylish. You have a good one. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.